Time is money in business. Day 5 na, wala ka pa ring desisyon? Kailan kaya nila ma-approve itong proposal? Nako, lumalampas na naman sa timeline. Sayang ang opportunity. Ikaw ba to, anak? Do you know that many businesses struggle because of slow decision making? Dati, ganyan din ako. Napakahirap na mag-make ng quick decisions kapag gusto mong maging sure, di ba? But I learned my lesson the hard way. Habang nag-overthink ako, nawawala ang mga magagandang opportunities. Kaya kailangan nating maging mabilis at efficient sa ating mga decision making. Anong solusyon? Set clear timelines. For urgent decisions, 24 hours maximum. For regular decisions, 3 days. Hindi pwedeng mag-antay forever. Bigyan mo ng power ang team mo to decide within their areas. Train them, trust them. They are your partners, diba? So empower them to make decisions without waiting for your approval all the time. And technology helps too. Use group chats for quick updates and project management apps para maging organized. Mas madaling mag-decide kapag kompleto ang information, di ba? So remember, time is money in business. Hindi kailangan perfect, basta progress over analysis paralysis. At ang mahalaga, tuloy-tuloy ang paglago ng ating negosyo. Kaya kaya mo yan. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.